I don't think they should change the regime, and basic democratic laws and separation of powers is very important, and they want to cut the judicial independence, and I think it's very dangerous. Besides, what's very dangerous is the way this government is treating Palestinians and the fact that it wants to annex the big parts of the West Bank. It's very extreme, nationalist, racist, religious, even fascist government.